We got to approach financial advisors, brokers and talking head prophets with a healthy dose of skepticism. Many times brokers do not encourage you for long-term investing. They'll always tell, okay, buy this stock, buy stock in these sectors. So then we sell our stocks maybe in FMCG sector, in IT sector, and then we invest in real estate and power sector. It's very surprising what might happen. The real estate sector, power sector, infrastructure sector might not give that good returns. And then the good returns have then started in what? IT sector and then in FMCG sector. Then again he will say like now sectors have changed. Now what you do? Sell off what you have bought in real estate and power because you already suffered loss. So that is why we say this is what is the importance of making your own investment decisions. They say all of us are supposed to maintain proper temperament. Try to understand Warren Buffett philosophy. He says you should not own any stock that would cause you to panic and dump your shares if the price falls by 50%. Any stock which you have bought, take for example at 400 and it is continuously falling and it has reached 200, so then what most of us will do? Much before that we would have sold it. Now he believes you must have done proper research. You have tried to invest in shares of a good company. Market price has fallen. So instead of looking at it as an opportunity to sell, Warren Buffett looks at it as an opportunity to buy. Be patient. Buy only stocks that you won't trade for 5 years or more. If the question is how long will you wait, in other words, how long will you hold a particular stock, Buffett's answer is, if we are in right place, we'll wait indefinitely. What do you mean by right place? If we are in right business. So then, he does not have any inclination to look at the prices. Things are gone like this. He has not even seen what is share market price of his company for years and decades taken together. He says, if business is doing well, so then everything else will do well. When you are buying shares, so then you should believe you are buying a piece of the business. He says, buy business and don't buy stocks. Business performance is the key to picking stocks. Study the long-term track record of any company that is on your buy list. Now we got to study long-term track record, how the company has been there in the past. Is the management honest enough? Does the company have a competitive advantage? Does the product and the service which the company makes, will it have enough demand in future? Has the company achieved the records, or has the company achieved what it has promised to the shareholders in the past? Look for a company that is a franchisee. Search out for the fortress-like firm. Find companies that stand out from their competitors. Now those companies will be able to price their product at little premium and would always be able to give you a higher return. What he says, buy low tech and not high tech. Avoid businesses in changing industries. Let that industry stabilize. Let that industry have a revenue statement, profitability, cash flow. Let us find out amongst those companies which are the good ones. Then do valuations, understand that business and then invest. Now when he says buy low tech and not high tech, he is not against IT companies, but what is his viewpoint is, I don't understand IT business, so I'll not just buy because others are buying. For me, maybe a paint company, a cement company, a brick company, a newspaper company might be good, because those products were in demand years back, and those businesses will continue to remain in demand. Concentrate your stock investment. When putting together your stock portfolio, aim to own no more than 10 stocks. Amongst people who are there here and who are into investments, how many of us can raise hands and then can say, okay, we are holding less than 10 stocks in our portfolio? Quite a few. 5% of the population. That means, what do majority of the people do? Okay, instead of concentrating on few stocks. They buy into large variety of stocks. Now what Warren Buffett says, okay, why to invest in your 20th best bet